Hi, fabulous ladies. I'm Candace, and welcome to the Style Climber, where I show you how to dress classy and elegant using simple fashion pieces. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some great ideas for weekend getaways. I love getting away for the weekend. It's the perfect season for it being summertime now, and just living life as luxuriously as you can. So I thought I'd share with you what I would normally pack when I have a weekend getaway. So we'll start off with this dress. This is a linen dress from COS. Love this dress. I love this dress so much that I have it in some other colors. I have it in white and I have it in blue, and it's a great investment. A linen dress is a excellent investment for a weekend getaway trip, and I'll explain why. Number one, if you can, color. This is obviously a nice green color, so you're popping with the sun, you're popping with the getaway, and just living life and being free in the summer vibe. So definitely getting a pop of color is a great way to go for a linen dress. The next thing is that it is breathable. Look how much air and breeze can go through this dress. This is just, when I say comfort, it is the epitome of comfort. And the material is breathable because it's 100% linen. And when you wear 100% linen or close to linen blend, you don't get hot at all. You don't really get hot. If you do, it's only for a moment's time because the material cools you down. And it's just one of the greatest materials to wear during the spring and summer season. Number three is the fact that it is a breathable material, okay? So this is a dress that can take me anywhere. If I want to go, to a walk on the beach, or if I'm going, to like brunch with my friends on the weekend getaway, I can throw this on. If I'm going sightseeing, I could throw this dress on. You know what I mean? Anywhere you want to go. If you want to go shopping on your weekend getaway, a linen dress is perfect. It is just wonderful to have. You know what I mean? And number four is if you want to wear it as a beach cover-up. So, you have on your bikini or your bathing suit, and all you have to do is wear this dress over it. Again, it's a button-down linen dress, so you can button it however high you want to, or how many ever buttons, even if you just maybe have one button open at a time and you're showing your bathing suit or your bikini. But this is just perfect to just throw on over your bathing suit, and you're ready to go. You put on a pair of flats or flip-flop sandals, what have you, and you're ready to go to the beach. Okay, love that. And the last thing about this, number five, is the fact that not only I can wear it during the whole day for any events or activities that I'm partaking in, but I could also wear it to dinner. Okay, love that for dinner. Again, you have the striking color here. So this color will illuminate in the nighttime, or any type of linen in the nighttime will definitely illuminate. But what I really love about this is that this dress came belted. So I'm going to get the belt. So here I am transitioning this dress, this day dress, linen dress, however you want to call it, shirt dress, into an outfit for the nighttime. And all I'm going to do is just take the belt that I got with it. And of course, you can use any belt that you have if your dress doesn't come with a belt. But, I'm using this because I have it. So tie it. Of course, cinch your waist as much as you want to. And here you have a fabulous dress to wear out to dinner. And you don't necessarily have to wear it the same night or the same day, the same evening, You could intertwine. Let's say if you wore this like on the Friday, you could wear it Saturday night or even Sunday night for dinner. And here you have just a fabulous dress to wear for an evening dinner. Isn't this the epitome of class and elegance? And you just look so chic in your linen dress. Now, one caveat to wearing linen, if you haven't worn it already, is that it wrinkles very easily. Depending on the level of quality that you have in the material. Sometimes it might not wrinkle as much, but guarantee it will wrinkle. And let me tell you, it does not take away from the outfit. It adds character. So don't be afraid of the wrinkles. So even if you threw it somewhere and you're going to the beach later, just throw it back on and you look chic and fabulous. But this is just one of the great items that you can pack when you go on your weekend getaway. You want versatility, and that's what I strive for anytime I'm going away. I want pieces that I can really just pull and wear and give me style, effortless chicness, and most importantly, comfort. Next up we have is an easy flowing outfit. I love having an oversized shirt for those days where I feel kind of bloated or I just want to feel loose, and especially on a getaway, something just nice and airy to go walking in, to go to the park, walk on the beach at nighttime, you know, just a real versatile piece to have. So here I'm pairing it with my Not My Favorite Daughter's jeans. I think that's the name of it, or Not My Daughter's Jeans. Or is it Not My Mother's Jeans? I'll be sure to put the name on the screen of the pants, the white shorts, I should say. And I have it here with my Gap men's shirt. Have this shirt for a while, but this is a shirt that you could pick up anywhere at any store, you know, just go into the men's section and pick a size larger than what you are, just for easy comfort. Really love the pop of color here. Having the starch white with the blue really gives a summer vibe to it. You know what I mean? Backyard barbecue, you know, or let's say you're going on a family getaway, not a family getaway, but your getaway is a family reunion. This is perfect if you're having, you know, like one of the meetups in a park. You just throw this on and you're comfortable. You could tie it with flats or you could tie it with a little heel. Nothing too crazy, just easy, effortless style. Just, you can't go wrong with this. Really love this. Again, this is something that I can wear, you know, if I want to go walk on the beach, like I said, or if I want to go to the park or even a museum date. You know, the great thing about going away for the weekend is that there's always nice museums to go to. So this would be perfect just to walk around in. Just easy, casual chicness. You know what I mean? Roll up the sleeves a little bit if it gets a little hot. And you see here, I just buttoned up one button for a nice effortless feel. You can try that too. Just easy. Just make sure your pants is, of course, a good length at the waist. But other than that, you can't go wrong with an oversized shirt and a nice white pants to go, whether it's shorts like I'm wearing here or it's a long white pants. It's just beautiful, just a great versatile piece. You want things that you can grab and go and make you look effortless and chic at the same time, and also cool. Next up I have is a versatile dress. I like to call it my versatile dress. It's a cross tube dress, very close fitting dress, but it's one of those dresses literally that I can throw in my suitcase and just go. And I really love the versatility in that. You know, when you're going away for a getaway, you want things, again, like I said, that can be at hand's reach and can do everything you need it to do for you. So here is this dress. This is a long ankle dress and sleeveless, as you could see, so it's perfect for a night out to dinner. You know, you go to a fancy restaurant and you need something a little bit sophisticated for that that evening. You throw on a nice form-fitting dress. It doesn't necessarily have to be white, but I'm bringing the summer vibe to it. A nice cream color, kind of kind of sultry for an evening. So, you know, you just have a nice little flirtation with the color, and the fact that it's form-fitting, it makes it even better. And it's just perfect. You tie it with a nice evening bag. Perfect for a lounge or a bar situation, preferably lounge because it's nice and sophisticated and you just look so chic and feminine. And again, the dress is hitting all the right curves as you sip on your martini or anything that you're having to that effect. It's just really nice. And what I like to do is, you know, sometimes these places can be a little bit chilly, so I like to add a pop of color. And what I'm going to do is add this jacket. Here is my River Island jacket. This is a mustard suede-like material, and I think suede is very sexy for the evening at a lounge or at a bar, you know, really sophisticated. Love this pop of color, and it just goes so well with the cream. You know, it's just a nice combination of colors together, finishing it off with nice thong sandals, just perfect for elegance, you know what I mean? Elegance and class, you know, give nice sultry vibes. And again, I said the suede is a nice attribute to evening. You know, you throw it over your shoulder and you just feel so good and chic and fabulous. Another great way to wear this dress is, let's say if you're hanging at, let's say you have a day party that you're going to, someone has a nice backyard event that you're going to, and you know, you kind of want to wear a dress, you can actually throw a shirt over this dress. So what I'm going to do is pull my Gap blue shirt that you saw earlier, you know, just throw this over the dress. Really, just like put your hands through. You can even wear it off your shoulder if you feel, you know, just for a nice chill vibe. Again, you know, you're sitting at the pool, your friend's house that has a nice pool, and let's say it's that time of the month, or you just don't feel like going in and putting on your bathing suit. You just kind of want to chill and be vibing and not mess up your hair or anything like that. This dress is perfect for that. And then you just throw a shirt over it, preferably a men's shirt. That way it's nicely oversized, and again, giving a good color. You want a nice good color. So I would say blue or some type of stripe in there would be really great. Or if you have like a pink, but something that's really gonna flatter the dress and flatter the ambiance that you're in. This is a great attribute for that. Now, another way to do it also is to tie it around your waist. I think this is just so chic. You have it with your flats on and you just tie it around your waist. This is another great way to do it. Okay, you're going, let's say you have to go for a beer run, or you have to go pick up wine with your friends, and you know, you're leaving for a few. You just throw this over you, you tie it at your waist, and you look so chic with your flats or your heels if you want to. Just throw this over it and you're just good to go. I mean, who doesn't love versatility? It's just, it's one of the attributes to having clothes on the go. Here is another great casual outfit that you can wear for your getaway. I have here a Nike workout shirt. Now, of course, if you have time to work out, you're going to bring workout clothes. So I thought throwing in a workout shirt in there would be really great as a versatility piece to wear outside, you know, wherever you're going on your outing for your weekend getaway. So I'm pairing it here with some Target wide leg pants. And this is really an outfit that you can, whatever you want to do with this outfit, you really can do, because it's really chill and versatile. You could dress it up with heels. Right here, I'm wearing it with some thong sandals from Tory Burch. Just easy, effortless chic. This is something you can definitely wear to dinner if you're having a cool, casual dinner, like you just go in and grab something quick. You can throw this on and just look really good. I love the fact that it's a breathable material. You know, it's a workout outfit, a workout top. So of course you're going to get the breathability in it as you go out. And the sleeves, just love that. That is no sleeves. And the neckline here, that's why I don't have the mic on. The neckline here is a nice, great neckline. I love that. A bit of sophistication in the neckline, and just easy. You do a slight tuck and you're just good to go. I mean, let's say if you want to go to the movies, you know, it's a thing now to go to the movies, go outside to a drive-through movie. You can just throw on a pair of flats and you sit on top of the car. If they have seats there, then this is just a perfect outfit for that. Very nice and chill, you know. This is a pants that you can definitely throw in your suitcase and steam it quickly, and you have versatility right there. You know what I mean? Just easy wearing, you know. You can't go wrong with this type of look. Last but certainly not least is your going home outfit. equally as important in versatility and style and comfort. So I'm sticking with my Nike shirt, again, breathable, sleeveless, sophisticated neckline, and I'm tying it with my white shorts from Not Your Daughter's Jeans. And just easy. I mean, you throw this on with a flat or a pair of heel, a slight kitten heel, like I've been wearing throughout the video, a slight kitten heel for a nice elevated look, simple colors, but chic style. And let's say I am going on the airplane. It's a quick 2-hour plane ride, but you know, planes tend to get cold. So I'm going to throw my trusty suede jacket on. So here I have versatility again. You saw that I wore this earlier with the cream dress, and I'm wearing it here to go home on the plane. Just throwing it over my shoulder, looking chic, fabulous. And again, look at the colors here. You can't go wrong with these colors. You got your pop of color in the suede jacket. You got your staple black, your starch white pant, and you look chic and sophisticated, comfortable. I love this look. This is one of the easiest looks to travel in. You could even wear this to go, you know, if you're traveling to, you could wear it going to your location for your getaway. Just perfect versatility. Really love this, you know, just easiness, and you don't feel like you did too much, but you're showing just enough. You're being classy enough with your outfit. And again, key word in this whole video is versatility in the clothes and being accessible to wear wherever I'm going on my getaway, or during the getaway, I should say. All right, fabulous ladies, that will be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give the video a like. It'll really help other fabulous ladies like yourself to find this channel and get inspiration on these outfits. And if you see something, or if you've thought of something that you'd like me to showcase, be sure to leave a comment and I'll do my best to bring that video to fruition for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.